Anak, enjoy your day. Huwag ka muna mag-girlfriend. Okay? Kawin mo muna. Hindi. Basta, nandito lang si Daddy. Suporta sa'yo. Tsaka si Mami. Love you.
Hi Carlos! Happy birthday! So I hope ma-enjoy mo yung day na to.
Good luck in your future, partner. Happy birthday. God bless you. More clinic to come for each of us. One day, partner, wish and I will pray na magkita tayo ron, na ma-coach ka pa namin, coach.
For me, he's one of the best basketball player in Lasal. And I just hope that his dreams in basketball, not just in basketball, but in academics as well, will all come true.
We always do, running through the fire like it's win or lose, do or die.
Happy birthday, Carlos! We're so very proud of you. We love you. Wish you all the best, especially sa career mo.
Always stick together, yeah, you know it's just the way that we do.
Happy 15th birthday, Carlos. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung gusto mo na pinapangarap mo. I know na mabait na bata ka at minsan lang siguro matigas ang ulo.
Looking out for you, 'cause every time we come together, hope.
I just want to say to Carlos that we enjoy his birthday and celebrate it. And I'm happy to be here to celebrate it with you. Amen.
We always do, running through the fire like it's win or
Thank you for everything. Thank you for helping me, teaching me how to do something or playing basketball like that and more. I love you very much, Kuya. Thank you.
Gusto ko lang mag-happy birthday sa little friend.
Happy birthday and sana matutuloy mo lahat ng dreams mo. Happy birthday.
Alam mo naman na gaano ka namin kamahal. Sinusuportahan ka namin kung ano man yung magiging gusto mo sa buhay, lalong-lalo na sa paglalaro mo ng basketball.
we always do, running through the fire like it's win or lose.
Sana makaka-create ka ng bagong history today. Tapos sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo this year. It's been a challenge playing with you. Tapos it's been great having time with you right now. And we're celebrating your birthday right now. More birthdays to come. Stay happy.
Always stick together, yeah, you know it's just the way that we do.
So never stop doing what you're best at, especially with your passion. And don't stop going to your school. First things first.
Si Carlos nung dumating is after 8 years or 9 years yata yan. Ang sunuran nila ni Shelo.
8 years kasi yung gap nila ng ate niya. Kumbaga blessing. Hindi namin na-expect na bibigyan niya kami ng another. Pero papasalamat kami na dumating na gustong-gusto namin na magkaroon ng anak na lalaki.
Alam mo naman, siyempre, kung lalaki, I hope na sana maging basketball player kasi yun yung aking trabaho.
Naging happy, yun lalo na yung sister niya kasi naghahanap siya ng wala siyang kapatid. Then, yun yung siguro right timing din, yung pagdating niya sa amin.
Happy birthday, Carlos. Ever since pumunta ako ng Lasal, 3 years ago, ikaw yung isa sa mga nag-welcome sa akin at sinali mo kaagad ako. At yun na, at sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to na kasama kami.
Carlos, you know, we've been classmates ever since kinder. You were always there for me. I remember I would always cry during kinder and you were always there for me.
Thank you for being one of my brothers and thank you for making me feel welcome, lalo na nung bago-bago pa ako sa Lasal.
And my wish for you is just to do whatever you want. Ako and sila mommy will always support you kung ano man gusto mong gawin and kung saan man gusto mapunta. Especially na you're nearing college na. Basta always take care lang and always obey sila mommy. Happy birthday!
Thank you rin sa pagmamahal mo rin sa amin, sa pag-uunawa. And stay humble. I love you.
Sa lahat po ng pumunta sa birthday ko, salamat po very much. And I really appreciate it. A lot of people didn't come to my birthday today, pero at least I have you guys right now. Thank you, and I really appreciate it.
Sana maging masunurin ka pa at sana mag-aral kang mabuti para makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at matupad mo yung pangarap mo.